Hey guys, welcome. I'm Prashvika. Welcome to the daily vlogs. Now, today I woke up, I had a breakfast here. It was raining yesterday. You could see there is no sun. Literally, there is no sun, only the clouds out there. Kind of like good weather, but not that really great. I mean, like, I like rain, but not that much when it misted. So I woke up and now I have a few work to do. Then I'm gonna go to art market just for a walk or something in the evening because I like the vibes there, the lights and the palace. It's really nice over there. So I'm just gonna go and take a walk over there in the evening. I'm gonna be filming and letting you know guys what exactly the day gonna whole look like. And it's kind of like 12th September. So yeah, I don't like that much of the rain, but yeah, when it's rain, it's really nice. But after that, it feels like the mist in the air. You could feel the mist and you start sneezing or coughing or something like that happens. So yeah, I'm just gonna be filming and letting you know guys more about it. Nothing happened much yesterday. I just working and then went outside a little bit and then come back, and yeah, that's what the day was yesterday. So today is another day, another brand new day. We're gonna take a look at that, what it's gonna look like. Okay guys, I finished with the work. I was doodling a little bit and I done with the work and I'm gonna go out. I'm thinking of getting some soup or something like that. So I'm gonna go out and get something to really eat, and then I'm gonna go to art market to get some vibes of the art and also to look at the city vibes because I've been away a little bit while. I haven't been walking quite a while, so today I'm in a mood of that. So we're gonna go into that. Right now it's kind of like a 6:30, so I'm waiting for sun to set. Then I'm gonna go and get the things from the supermarket, and yeah, that's how the day will proceed. So you can see the vibes over here at the time of the sunset, people playing the music and singing, and yeah, that kind of stuff is there. So I'm kind of like going out right now to the supermarket to get something to eat, or maybe eat there. We'll see what needs to be eat. So I'm gonna go out and also go to the market to sit there with city vibes at the night. In the evening, that's really amazing because it's almost 7 o'clock, about to sunset. So this is a time that I perfectly like so much. So
Sebenarnya masih oke ya. Ikan pita. Legit like